So this is a pretty good one to show you. Come out here, system's not operating. Now I have 24 volts coming out. Went inside, shut the system off. Now we are going to test the high pressure switch here. Meter set to ohms. My meter will also beep if there is continuity. This is a normally closed pressure switch, so it opens on issue. As you can hear, no beep, open loop. So here's a new switch, open 610, close 420. This is also why you want to always dig a little deeper on these calls to avoid recall. So this fan will start, but then after about 5 minutes, it quits out. These pressure switches, once they open so many times, they end up getting stuck open and fail. Need to replace. So always dig a little deeper to avoid those recalls.